Today we are going to discuss about the Sarvagata Vyadhi, and Sarvagata Vyadhi, it represents the total area of eye which is exposed to the atmosphere or air. It get infected or it get diseased, and it leads to the another diseases of eye, or that basic pathology of conjunctiva or Shleshmakala. It goes inside or penetrate inside and can cause all the diseases of the eyes. That's why it defined as a Sarvagata Vyadhi. The most important diseases has been described under the Sarvagata Vyadhi are Abhishanda, Adhimantha, Akshipak, Anyatovat, Shirotpat, Shiraharsha, Amladhushit. Sushruta has been described the 17 Sarvagata Vyadhi. There are 4 types of Abhishanda: Vataj, Pittaj, Kafaj and Raktaj. Then 4 types of Adhimantha: Vataj, Pittaj, Kafaj and Raktaj. Sashophakshipak, Ashopakshipak, Shushkakshipak. These 3 types of Akshipak. Then Hatadimantha, Anilparyay, Anyatovat, Shirotpat, Shiraharsha and Amladhushit. While describing the Sarvagata Vyadhi, they have described that most important disease, that is Abhishanda. And what is Abhishanda? It is correlated with the conjunctivitis, that is conjunctiva, which is the outermost layer of the eye, and the outermost 2/3 surface of the eye is covered by the conjunctiva, which is exposed to the atmosphere. You might have studied the conjunctival anatomy, and it is a palpebral conjunctiva and bulbar conjunctiva, and it forms with the 2 layers, that is epithelial layer, outermost epithelial layer, and below to that, that is adenoidal layer. These 2 layers combine to form the conjunctiva, and it is palpebral conjunctiva and bulbar conjunctiva. Palpebral conjunctiva covered the sclera, and bulbar conjunctiva below to the lid, and the cornea plus conjunctiva, it is exposed to the atmosphere or into the ear every time. Abhishanda is also defined, it is an Sarvaroga Karanatvam. It means Abhishanda itself and the basic cause of all the eye diseases. In another term, you can say that if you have counter to the conjunctivitis or Abhishanda, if it is not treated properly, it can lead to all the parts of the eyes can be affected further after the conjunctival disease or Abhishanda. Prayena sarve nayanamastu bhavanti Abhishanda nimitta mulaha. Sarva nayana mastu nimitya mulaha. It is a nimitya mulaha, that is, it can cause the basic hetu for all the eye diseases. Tasmat abhishandam upacharyot hitaya dhimana. That's why Abhishanda should be taken seriously, and in initial stage we should treat it properly. So to avoid the further penetration of the pathophysiology or the disease, and can be further complication can be avoided. During the COVID-19, everybody speaks about the disease can be spread through the conjunctiva because it get exposed. The basic pathophysiology of the COVID, if the virus get attached to the any mucous membrane or epithelial layer of the body, it absorb inside and it transfer inside the body. It is a gateway of the coronavirus or any virus to enter inside the body, and simultaneously or similarly, that's why the Abhishanda is or the diseases of the conjunctiva can lead to it proves that it is an sarvaroga karanatvam, means if once the conjunctiva get infected or get disease, that disease can be transferred inside the eyes. Now you can say that it can be spread up inside the body also. The basic pathology of the conjunctivitis, and if you want to categorize or classify the conjunctivitis, now it is very clear that Abhishanda is equal to conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis is defined as the inflammation of conjunctiva. It is an inflammation of conjunctiva. As we know that the inflammation is basically two types. One is infective inflammation. Second one is a non-infective inflammation. What it means? Infective inflammation means any organism is involved to form the pathology of inflammation, then it is infective. Any organism, it may be the viral, it may be the bacterial, it may be the fungal, it may be the any another chlamydia type of organisms which can lead to the inflammatory conditions. It is an organism that is infective inflammation. Second one is a non-infective inflammation. Non-infective inflammation, it means any allergens, toxic materials, chemicals, or any heat, dryness, it can be lead to the inflammatory conditions. The most common cause is allergic conjunctivitis. Any allergens, when it comes into the contact with the conjunctiva, there is a reactivity of the conjunctiva which leads to the conjunctivitis. It means it is an Abhishanda. Means we have basically divided into two parts of the Abhishanda. One is infective conjunctivitis, second one is a non-infective conjunctivitis. Infective conjunctivitis, there may be the viral conjunctivitis, which is very commonly seen into the rainy season, that is spring catarrh or flu virus mostly affect initially to the conjunctiva. And the virus, if there is a conjunctival congestion with the fever, it is an specifically a differential diagnosis for the flu type of viral infection into body, but it initiate with the conjunctival congestion. Simultaneously, the COVID or coronavirus also can cause, if it gets strike to the conjunctiva, it causes an conjunctivitis as well as viral conjunctivitis, same like to the flu symptoms. Second one is a bacterial conjunctivitis. If any bacteria, if the most common cause of bacterial conjunctivitis is if you got the dicrocystitis or any upper respiratory tract infection, vice versa. If it is a bacterial infection, it get contaminated with the conjunctiva and it get infected with the bacteria, or outside bacteria may lead into the conjunctiva. Most important factor is lysosome is we can say it is a amrut for the eyes, which kills the organisms and protect the eye from the infections and avoid the spread of the infections. And another one is the allergic conjunctivitis. Thank you.